By the power vested in me as the 2022 president of JCI Las Piñas Water Lily, I now declare this first induction and turnover ceremonies adjourned.
Winning agreement between JCI Las Piñas Water Lily and JCI Las Piñas on this 21st of May in the year 2022 at Casa Aguilar, Las Piñas City, Philippines. As agreed upon by Press Zara Bianca Saldua, and Press Mike Angelo H. Pizarro of Press JCI Las Piñas.
I, Richard Dodge Slim, President of JCI Manila, Mother Chapter to JCI Las Piñas Water Lily for the year 2022, do hereby turn over this gavel to you. It is a symbol of authority. Wield it unflinchingly, but righteously, with courage and with the humility, with determination, but with compassion and understanding. And as you accept this gavel and the authority that goes with it, may God help you with all your undertakings.
So when I was building JCI Las Piñas Water Lily, the first thing that I had in mind was to make sure that I had advocacy-driven women. That was the number one common factor that I wanted to have with all of the women that would be involved with JCI Las Piñas Water Lily.
I, Zahra Bianca Saldua, the president of JCI Las Piñas Water Lily for the year 2022, it is my covenant to wield this gavel unflinchingly but righteously, with courage but with humility, and finally, with determination but with compassion and understanding. So be it!
This significant events repeating itself reminded me about how the ancient Greeks looked at time. Time is kairos. They referred time as kairos by referring it as the right moment, the perfect season.
This medallion has only one name. It may have only one just now, but it feels just as heavy. Not just because I bear the legacy of past presidents, but also because I carry the legacy of future presidents. At the end of our lifetime, all we want to say is that I hope I am remembered for the things that I did right. That I am remembered as someone kind. That I'm remembered as someone kind and caring. Someone who helped others. Because we are basically hoping that we are remembered that we are good people. The only way that we can achieve that is that if we do better and if we be better. So I implore you all to continue this journey with me because I'm not stopping anytime soon. So I'm hoping that you won't stop and that you'll be a part of our memories to come and I can be a part of yours. So thank you again to everyone here tonight. You all mean very, very much to me. And for the rest of the evening, I hope that you enjoy. Maraming salamat po and mabuhay kayong lahat.
JCI Las Piñas Water